Trouble don't wear mini skirt. E be like say this September, he carry pro mass take enter. This news wey carry come for na as e dey hot now they carry am come. King Tonto Dike don use style drag Jemina on another girl because she sabi rotate her waist on top of her husband. Now she we dey talk about. She don drag that lady enter she and Kpokpogiri matter. Una know say this Tonto and Kpokpogiri for this past month, two of them just dey drag themselves because of one small breakup wey happen between them. We no gree hear word again. Now say after she, you know say since when this whole matter don dey happen, Tonto never talk the main reason why she leave Kpokpogiri. Now Kpokpogiri talk say she cheat on her. She come dey claim say she hear one voice note between Kpokpogiri and Merit. We no know who be this Merit. Say now wetin make her decide say this her love of her life, she go leave her. I know say most of una don hear am, but for those of una wey never hear am, make una follow me listen.
I'll be back tomorrow.
You just dey run everybody one after the other. You know one day with Choma again. I don't understand you. They with Spanky now.
Spanky, it's not the date with the date now. See, we are not dating now. See, we are just fucking.
Oh wow. Now for like make una 2 days. The girl, I don't know, she very nice to me. Now you make that time when we get that problem. And that problem is because of you. But thank God say me and her we don't later sort out our issues. Because if they say me and this girl no settle, if they say me and Spanky no settle, I for no just forgive myself because I like the girl. And I like her energy. The girl na person be say she ready to carry person along. I like wetin you do. Before you know, if people go carry and you don't know say na blue she wear. She you can't go wear.
I don't know. I can't go wear blue and blue.
Kai, they for really post you cause say Prince went to his other girlfriend's shop opening. Before you know, I don't know why bloggers, I don't know where they gather news from, I swear. Before you know, they don't carry person matter. They post everywhere. And Tonto Dike go come see and now come they say her. Now wow. And I know all those things, good for you. I like waiting you do.
I know say this one now, all of una go don hear everything clear and sound. Wetin Tonto me, I reason say, wetin make Tonto leave this guy now because of say wetin? The way when they make him just they talk like say him just dey there. They sleep with any woman wey he want. If he decide to go to this woman, the woman go gree. If he decide to leave this one, he no go. Now wetin they do? But Tonto now come dey claim say aside this whole voice note wey happen, say he get something. This Jemina say she and Kpokpogiri they do things together. Say today she dey see things. Plus the man the girl old sex tape. Plus the new one. I can't dey wonder. Old and new. I beg how manage this one take enter. Because this lady now married woman. I know they when this girl do well the way she dey rotate everybody. It even turn to news. See how this girl they one on top of them all of a sudden. They talk say that they see her sex tape. I know they talk of old one. Recent one. Now Tonto they talk say, and in fact the way thing come surprise me for this whole matter now. The way Tonto take drag her. She no even do and say, make she hide it. She write this girl name inside the thing. Say Jemina, now you are the talk to. It dey very certain say this our Tonto. In fact, she be pure drama queen. Because at least if you even see this thing, why you no call the girl privately? Tell her say, oh baby, now like this the thing be you. I see your sex tape, I see your this for here. At least you tell her make me understand. Nobody won't be say you can't decide say you won't do the whole thing publicly. You want make everybody know say okay this girl they sleep with this guy. But I beg I need to ask. What thing they this Kpokpogiri under wey be say all of una they pursue one? I beg how in cassava be because me I won't even know. Because this one where she they claim say so many celebrities now this guy they sleep with it they make me they really wonder say what thing they really happen. But now what for all this our celebrities couple? Una never marry, una don't begin carrying herself go court because I hear say Kpokpo don't. In fact, he don't sue Tonto 10 billion lawsuit say because of the whole wahala wey Tonto and the motor wey she carry. He won't carry Tonto go court. I can't dey wonder. Thank God say this one no even go end the marriage because ordinary dating una don't enter court. I beg if na even marry nko wetin go happen. In fact, this couples una they really shock me. Anyway, this one me I don't reason I say now juju magistrate go help na solve am. Make na no even bother yourself again. All I dey see na Tonto just want to drag people. Anybody wey disturb her, she won't carry their matter and in fact she go drag you down. So you will be say you want peace, abeg just leave this girl make she dey on her own. But anyway, auntie, don't forget to post the people name, because you talk say some big me I go like hear those people name. Make we disgrace all of them together, because this September blessing are for celebrity relationship. We dey ready to bring am down. In fact, we dey ready to hear all the people wey dey follow this our kpokpo. Anyway, my people, now here I go end am on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.